My name is Marty. I am a patient of Hearing HealthCare centers and have been for the past 9 years. Once I got tested for my hearing aids, it was a whole new world. I was hearing new sounds that I hadn't experienced in such a long time. All of the Doctor of Audiologies here are professional, but most importantly, they truly do care, and I am one of their biggest supporters and fans because they take care of me, and I just appreciate everything that they've done. The audiologists have actually coordinated and set up the hearing aids so I can actually adjust different levels. I'm able to click a button in my hearing aid, boop, it goes into restaurant mode, blocks the sound from behind me, and allows me to focus in front of me. I have another mode, boop, auditorium mode, where if everything's really quiet, the hearing aids are able to take in more audio streams. I continuously have my follow-up visits. They keep me at, I guess, my peak performance for hearing. And it's not just get me in, get me out. It's really quality, passionate care. I just can't thank them enough. I'm getting ready to be going on my next set of hearing aids because I'm looking forward to the Bluetooth in my ear. It's going to make it look like I'm crazy at the store. Just all of a sudden I'm going to start talking to myself. Can't wait for that to happen.